Wololo, wololo, hello, Henry. Adonis. Henry, how are you? I'm fine. My name's Maka. Wololo, mayo, mayo. Mayo, mayo. How are you doing? Yeah, my name is Maka. I'm playing some Mengolia Titi. It's our vibe. We call it beach vibe. Adonis, how are you feeling? Lolo, mayo, mayo. When I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, keep on watching. There's a call now. I get a call here. You are so busy. Yeah. Oh, let me play for you one song. The song is called Mayo. Mayo means mama, mother. Lolo, Mayo. When I went to Dubai. Lolo, Mayo, Mayo. Yeah. I promise you, Mayo. Lolo, Mayo, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. When I went to Dubai, not killing yet. I know you like come over. I'm living in Ghana. Wololo, mayo, mayo. Wololo, mayo, mayo. I'm in Kenya, Diani. I love you, mayo. I love you. Wololo, mayo, mayo. I love you, mayo. I love you, mayo. Yeah. When I went to Dubai, yeah, I'm in Kenya. I must bring you some not killing you. I know you like Kamongo, I'll bring you. I know you like Kumbuta, but I'll bring you Kamongo. Yeah, I'll bring you Kamongo. I live in Ghana. I'll bring you Kamongo. Do you like Kamongo? Yeah. Do you like Kamongo? I do like Kamongo. Yeah, Diane is in Kenya. A long leg, coastal region. North Coast. That's Diane. Right now I'm in the beach. Yeah. Whoa, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah, you are allowed, bro. You can just come. Yeah. Yeah, I promise you, just come. You get me here, bro. I love you, Mayo. Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. Not killing you, I know you like Kumbuta, but I'll bring you down. Yeah, my bro. Have a nice time. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you. When I went to Dubai, I must make you surprise. Not killing I know you like Kumbuta, but I'll bring you come on. Come on. Yeah. Before bonfire, we have to jump. Keep on watching. These are very nice. Hello, how are you? Hey, my name is Maka. You can follow YouTube, subscribe. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Jangoma. Oh man, I'm speaking Swahili, but I don't speak one. I keep Kiswahili one. Nagonga Kiswahili mbaya. I don't ask. That's my big boy. Oh, I'm Jalu. Adoni. Thank you so much, Adoni. Keep on watching. Yeah. Hello, Mayo. Yeah, just go. No problem, just go. I'm waiting here. I will not leave you, bro. Hello, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah, I love you. I love you, Mayo. When I went to Dubai, I must bring a surprise. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. I know you like me, but I'm bringing you come. Ben.
Yes.
How are you?
Are you live?
I'm live. How are you?
All right, live. Makam Mugenda. What's up?
Uko lakini? Yeah, I see you back. Keep on watching. Hello, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. Not yelling, I'm going to bring some people to go. I know you like Kumbuda, but I think you come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah. Don't joke. I see you watching. Keep on watching. Hello. My name is Maka. Follow, subscribe YouTube. It's called Maka Mugenda. I'm live on YouTube. No, I say Cristiano is the gold.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, wow. Lazima hivyo. Okay.
Okay.
My YouTube channel is called Maka Mugenda. YouTube.
Canal de YouTube. What is it?
It's called Nyatiti. Yeah.
Sí, claro.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Maka.
Maka.
Your phone can I give you the spelling?
Yeah.
Keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda.
Okay, bye.
It's a very special.
Bye.
Which language are you speaking?
Italian.
Español, ¿sabes? No.
Okay.
Yo me gusta si podemos bailar su música. Can we dance with your music?
Oh, you want to dance? What's your name?
No, me no. They dance.
Who? What's your name? You.
Gabi.
Gawi.
Gabi will go
Oh,
to
guys,
dance.
keep on watching this Maka. I want to play from Gawi one song. Yeah, and our team. I see there's a big team here.
Vamos a bailar.
Come this side so that you can see them. Yeah. Gawi. I'm gonna sing to Gawi. Yeah. Oh, Gawi. Oh, Gawi. I see you having fun, Gawi. They say hi. Yeah. I'm gonna sing to Gawi. Gawi. Whoa. Yeah, keep on watching. There's a beautiful lady here. We have Gawi. We have more ladies. What's her name, you?
Maria.
Maria. More beauty, Maria. Yeah. Maria. And you Jordan, well, no, Jordan. Maria, are you seeing Maria? Jordan, and Gawi. Yeah. Mario walk with the beautiful ladies. Yeah. Maria, Jordan, yeah. Gawi, oh Gawi, oh Gawi, oh Gawi, oh Gawi, oh Gawi. Put down your comment. Tell me how you're feeling.
Okay. Ciao, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Where we can see this in your
Yeah, in my channel.
Instagram?
Yeah, in my channel, YouTube.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Guys, I'm back. I'm alone now. Yeah, wow. Adoni, wow. Adoni, continue asking your question. I'll be able. I'll be answering you one by one. Man, tindo beo kanyama. Yeah, this is a vibe. We call it come baby, come baby. Come baby, come baby. You are Cocorico. Come baby, darling. Come baby, darling. Yeah. Come baby, darling. Come baby, darling. My time to say so, my time. I don't wanna talk, my time. Yeah, Yatini dance is a kaya dance. Guys, please continue watching. I just want to ask this guy if they can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't leave my channel. Hello. Just one minute. Come baby, guy, you Macoriko. Yeah. Come baby, guy. Come baby, guy. Come baby, guy. Come baby, guy. Yeah. Come baby, guy. Come baby, guy. Come baby, guy. Yeah. You my Cocorico, yeah. You my Cocorico. My time to say so, my time, yeah. my time to say so. I don't wanna talk. My time to say so. I don't wanna talk. Yadidi dance is a kaya dance. So kita go let go, shake your body, shake your bam 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 bam. To make you blendo. Kata, yeah, kata. Di dance kanungo ya. Yeah. Di dance kanungo ya. Di shake your kanungo ya. So in Jagoleko, shake your body, shake your bang bang. Yeah. Please put down your comment. Are you enjoying this vibe? I'm baby guy, you are good. I'm baby guy. Nilipos. Nilieka. Nikitu inaenda pole baba. Yeah, thank you so much. I see you. Adoni, you start watching long time ago and still you are watching. That's nice. Come baby guy, you my kokoriko. Come baby girl, yeah, come baby girl. My time to say so. Ado. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Just one question. Are you the same ladies I talk?
Yes.
Oh, I don't want to bore you.
You're not worried.
I don't want to bore you again. Guys, keep on watching.
You
this.
did sing for us.
You did ask.
Please do.
Oh, what's your name?
Regina.
Oh, Regina. Regina is my firstborn.
Your first?
My firstborn.
I love
Regina. So that's the main reason I give.
my grandmother is also Regina and I'm Regina.
Well, let me sing for Regina one song, guys, before I leave this session. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mkenda with a very special instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, this is from Lakeside, from Kisumu, Dala. I have decided. Yeah, Regina. First time I met Regina. Yeah, Regina more beauty, lady more beauty. Without makeup, yeah, makeup. They are caravan. Let me tell you one thing, Regina. By the time you travel along Lake region, Kisumu City, and you see beautiful ladies like Regina, unamwambiaje? Caravan, Regina caravan, yeah, Regina caravan. Regina, nipatie jina wengine hawa. Chepto. Chepto, you have to smile hawa. Give me another name.
Sharon.
Yeah. Sharon. Anatumaliza na dimples hawa. Sharon, you can dance also hawa. Sharon. Give me another name. Shiro. Why are you silent, Shiro? Wow, thank you so much. Regina, I see your comments are going down.
You're live.
I don't know. now guys. Let your mark upload your YouTube channel number 2 site for live. Maguest walikuwa huko. What's the name bro? Nani? What's the name of the lady? Okay, let me sing for Ken, okay? Walikuwa wengi basi. All the way from. Umejua nimelala mbele. I have a serious wedding in Kisumu. Travel jana nimeingia leo. What's the lady name what? Niambie jina yao jamaa. Bei. Ajana Bei. Okay. Are you from Nairobi? I have decided to sing together. Yeah. Adori, are you still watching bwana? Mimi sikuenda bwana, still am here. Kuna Kenny. I have decided to sing together. Again, my brother. Yeah. First time I meet again. And I was very. Yeah. Yeah. I see faith, more beauty. Let me tell you, Ken, my brother, you are so lucky. And you are lucky to have faith, mama. Faith, more beauty, without makeup. Yeah. Let me tell you, Ken, one thing about my grandfather, boy. The guy told me, Ken, if you want to control the economy, you better stay with faith. Ananga makeup. This lady is more beautiful without makeup or makeup. Yeah. I wish I see her mother. You know, beautiful lady like Faith, they look like the mothers. Yeah. My brother, you are so lucky. Yeah. You have a daughter. By the time you travel to Kisumu, unajua beautiful lady like Faith tunamuita aje? Adoni Jambo. Faith Jambo. Yeah, Faith Jambo. You know what, Ken? Faith was not born bwana. The lady was created very early in the morning. That's the main reason she's more beautiful without makeup or makeup. Yeah. Faith, you are so lucky. Yeah. Don't have again. You know, Ken, even me, I'm Ken. Yeah. We are handsome woman the way. That's our weak point. Na umwambie akaya kinyuko bwana. Thank you, babe. I pray for you, Ken, and faith so that you can last long. We gonna lakini Ken, mkikosana kuna kitu siambie Kevo hawa. Kevo atachoma bwana. Thank you so much, guys. Wow, I see there's a lot of comments. Nitazisoma pole pole. Keep on watching. Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. This is a very special evening. Also have a bonfire, guys. Right now I'm waiting some guests for bonfire session. Keep on watching. Niko karibu kuisha. Guys, hey, thank you so much. Ken. Comment zako ziko hapa wengi lakini You're from Nairobi wapi?
Nairobi, Runda.
Nikupatia pesa. Watu wa Runda. Bwana unajua Runda? Unajua Runda? Na kale. Hapa kuna nini, kuna a lot of ways so that you can't get that thing. That's fine. Yeah. So thank you so much.
Subscribe. Umesema itoje?
Inaitwa Maka Mugenda, Maka is M-A-K-A space. Omera, don't use, that's my name. You have to confuse these guys to survive. Omera Jarunda, suni nini hata sote Jarunda. Yawa Jarunda yawa. Bwana, guys, umejua Nairobi kuna estate ya watu na wenyewe. I've been in Nairobi. Keep on watching, guys. There's a lot of guys who are just coming back from boat ride. Keep on watching. That's how it is. Also remember today our bonfire, guys. I'll be giving you some authentic traditional Nyatiti. Yeah, that's how it is. You know what? Uliniambia nifuate wazungu, but I have my principles. How comes mmefika nikaanza kuongelesha sasa ni wajua. Thank you so much. Have a nice time, guys. Keep on watching, guys. Right now, I just have to. Oh, unataka, you know, you want to my name, my real name.
Yeah.
Guys, keep on watching Maka Mugenda.
Mugenda.
That's my name. Yeah. Omera, subscribe now, watch Omera. Oh, I'll see you there. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice time. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Still is me, is Maka Mugenda, guys. This is Maka Mugenda with a special Nyatiti. Yeah, I'm here with the instrument only. Hey, Omera, Adonis Henry. Thank you so much for watching, Adonis Henry. Please, Sema Ronaldo. This guy keep blocks. Sema Ronaldo, bro. Yeah, man, Ronaldo, the guy who killed the vibe, Ronaldinho. You can allow Baba. You can allow Baba. Long time ago, my grandfather told me, Papa, when I go to school. Yeah. After school, you will get a job. There is no job in Africa. There is no job in Africa. There is no job in Africa. White collar job is for the rich. White collar job is for the rich. Nah, nah, nah. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah. They cannot allow, Baba. They cannot allow, Baba. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. Yeah. They cannot allow. They cannot allow. Nah. You can't allow Baba. You can't allow Baba. Baba Konya. Keep on watching. This is a very special evening, guys. Yeah. Just continue watching. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, still roaming the beach. Baba.
Yeah, Baba.
Yeah. Wow. I'm coming for them.
Before we go, I just want to say something. Come here.
Kita gini lebih macam
This guy is my brother from another mother. I told you. I come from the western side of Kenya. Western? Yes. Regional west, where we find Lake Victoria. Biggest freshwater lake around here, shared between Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. My tribe is we are the father of farmers. This is how we used to dress back in the day. Sing for them one song, 1 minute, just 1 minute, and then we're gonna take a picture.
What's the name?
My name is Eva. Eva.
We dance pole pole like this.
Elizabeth.
Somebody!